Everyone's been where you are now, scratching your head, wondering why your computer is taking 5 whole minutes to do what took it only seconds a few weeks ago. With how much we spend on all of these computers and their components, surely they aren't supposed to deteriorate this quickly? Don't you worry. Sometimes, a few moments of maintenance work is all it takes to get it back up to standard, and with a few tips in this video, we can take it a bit further to get your PC running buttery smooth. Today, we're diving into the world of optimizing PC performance. We've got some simple steps to speed up your computer. Let's get started. First things first, let's declutter that hard drive. Delete unnecessary files and programs to free up space. A big part of clutter on the average computer is a downloads folder running rampant. Be sure to move any downloads you want to keep to a more permanent home in your file libraries, and delete any files from your downloads you don't need or want. Additionally, you can enable automatic deletion of old files on Windows 10 and 11. Go to Settings, under the System tab and under the Storage header, and from here you can set up a timer for how long a file goes untouched before your system automatically deletes it, like an automated cleaning service. Think of it like tidying up your room. The more space you clear, the faster your computer can run. Next up, keep your software up to date. Regular updates improve performance and patch security vulnerabilities. It's like giving your computer a tune-up, smoother operation and enhanced security. Check your software center often, or head back to the Settings app under Update and Security. Take control of your startup programs. Disable unnecessary programs from starting up with your computer. It's like streamlining your morning routine. Fewer things to juggle means faster startup times. To edit what launches on startup, back to Settings we go, this time under Apps in the Startup tab. Let's focus on your web browser now. Clear cache and cookies regularly to improve browsing speed. All the websites you visit, all leaving their cookies and other data in your browser files. Eventually things will get gummed up and your browser will eventually start to chug. In extreme cases, your Instapage will look like it was revamped by Picasso. We'll use Chrome as our example, but all browsers are trying to look like each other these days anyway, so this will help whether you're using Firefox or Edge. Open your browser options and hit Clear Browsing Data. You can also get here by hitting Ctrl+Shift+Delete in your browser. To keep it simple, use the basic options, where it'll ask what you want to clear out. Set your time frame to all time, and make sure cookies and cached images are checked. But we want to leave browsing data alone. This way, all the clutter gets cleared out without affecting your browser's memory of previously visited sites, so you don't have to go looking for your favorite spots all over again. Don't forget about malware and viruses. Run regular scans with antivirus software to keep your system clean. It's like protecting your home from intruders, a secure environment for your digital world. Consider hardware upgrades if needed. Adding more RAM or upgrading your hard drive to an SSD can significantly boost performance. It's like giving your computer a horsepower upgrade, faster processing and smoother multitasking. Optimize your power settings for performance. Choose the high performance mode to maximize speed when needed. It's like switching to sport mode in your car. Unleash that extra power when you need it. Lastly, don't skip regular maintenance. Schedule routine checks and cleanups to keep your system running smoothly. It's like servicing your car. Preventive care keeps everything running like new. And there you have it. Simple steps to speed up your computer and optimize its performance. Implementing these tips will ensure your PC runs faster and smoother. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy computing.